going to show you how to factory reset your Halo View tracker. Okay, very simple here. Okay, so first thing you got to do is go to your app. So go to your Amazon Halo app. Mine is right here. Let's go ahead and tap on that right there. Now from here, bottom right hand side is settings. Okay, let's tap on settings, and now we want to tap on right here under devices. It says Halo View. Let's tap on that right there. And then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go down here where it says deregister ban. Okay, so let's tap on that right there. Now we have some instructions here. Okay, so first thing was we need to go ahead to the phone's Bluetooth setting and forget the Halo View. Okay, now the thing is I have an iPhone here. So for the iPhones, what you do is you want to go to your settings, then you want to go to Bluetooth, and then you want to go ahead and find the Halo. Mine is right here. It says connected. It says connected right here. So I'm going to tap on that little I there, right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on forget this device, not disconnect. So forget this device right there, and tap on forget this device down there. Now let me go back to the app. Now the thing is, if you have an Android phone, what you want to do is go to your Bluetooth settings and then go to where you see unpair and tap on unpair. Now next thing we want to do is go to the factory reset on the tracker itself. So let's go to the tracker here, go to your home page, click on the home button here, and then we want to go to settings. We want to swipe down. We're going to go to settings here, and then from here we're going to go ahead and scroll all the way up. Second to the bottom, it says device info. Let's tap on device info, and then let's go ahead and slide down a little bit, and it says factory reset. Let's go ahead and tap on factory reset right there. Are you sure you want to proceed with a factory reset? We're going to tap on yes down here. It says resetting your band. We're going to leave this right there. Now we're going to go back to the app, and we're going to go down here where it says remove device and sign out. Okay. Now note up here it says your data will continue to be stored with your profile, but you'll no longer have access to your data in the Halo app. So basically, after we do the factory reset, if you just want a clean slate, you do a factory reset, then you go back up to set up your tracker. It should have all your data saved, okay? Your calories from the day before, how long you sleep, and so on, okay? But you have to log into the same profile, the same Amazon account, okay? Anyway, remove device and sign out is next. Let's tap on that. And of course, you can go ahead and give it away or sell it after you do this factory reset as well, okay? Well, there we go. We're done here. Now we're back at the setup page here on the Halo. So if you want to go ahead and reset this watch with a clean slate, then you have to go through the setup process again, okay? From here, you have to go ahead and plug in your tracker here, and then go ahead, set up your band, and proceed with the initial setup, okay? Pretty simple. Good luck.